Hi guys, this time we will code the play button and the quit button. To do that, guys, let's select the main menu game object and let's create a new script. I will call it main menu. I've already did that. This is the main menu script, so let's attach to our main menu game object. So it's appeared here. Now I will comment what I wrote. So guys, first let's open it. So guys, here the script for the main menu script. So I've created two methods. The first one is for the play button. I call that the play game method, and the second method is the quit game. It is attached to the quit button. For the first method, guys, we will use this class, I mean the scene manager class. So to do that, guys, you must be sure that you already wrote this line of code. I mean, we'll use the scene management library. So guys, inside the play method, you just need to type the scene manager class and call the load scene method attached to this class. And then guys, if we press the play button, normally what will occur is that we must select the first scene of our game. This is why I call the first scene of the game. And then guys, for the quit method, you just need to write application, which is the name of the class, and inside this class you've got a predefined method, which is the quit method, to quit the game. The only issue, guys, is that if you press during the runtime, if we press the quit button, you will never see Unity, I mean your game, quit directly the game. Why that? Because we are in the mod edition. So guys, to see during our edition something which help us to know that we are quitting the game, I just write, a comment, and I wrote quit the game, which we can see that inside the console. One important thing, guys, is that the two methods, I mean the play game method and the quit method, must be defined as public methods. Then guys, let's save our script. So let's return to Unity and then let's select the play button. Now guys, we will affect our function to our button. So to do so, you have to right click here. Then let's choose an object, which will be the main menu, which contains the scripts. And then guys, here you have to choose inside the main menu script, you have to choose the play game method. Let's do the same things for the quit one. So let's select the quit button, let's type here, and then let's select the main menu, put inside, and then choose your main menu script and inside the quit game. So guys, now let's test that. So I will set the console. So guys, if I press the quit button, normally a message must appear. Okay guys, quit the game. Then guys, if I press the play button, normally the first level will appear. Okay, everything is fine. Guys, I forgot to tell you something very important concerning our level. You must set it inside the build setting, our main menu. I mean, you have to go inside the scene folder, take this main menu and put it here. I already did that, it's appeared here, and put it in the first position. I mean, just at the beginning the number must be 0 normally.